A wonderful hello from Yaiza. Yaiza is a village on the island of Lanzarote. Lanzarote is the northmost island of the Canary Islands. I arrived here just an hour ago, and of course the first order of business is to do some exploring. And if you're interested, I'm going to take you with me. It's very windy here, so I hope you will hear me at all. Canary Islands are part of Spain. Despite it being way south in the Atlantic Ocean, we are just 140 kilometers away from the coast of Morocco. Supposedly this is a village, but it's quite big, as you will see. And it's really pretty. It has these white traditional houses. It is in the southwest of the island, and from here you also have a great view over Timanfaya National Park with all its lava fields and beautiful volcanoes. Yaiza has twice been voted the prettiest village in Spain. This is not only due to its inherent charm and its well-preserved traditional Canary Islands character, but also because it is located in the middle of some of the most captivating landscapes of Lanzarote. As you can see, Yaiza is a very sweet, very windy village. We have a desert climate. It's the end of March, we have 23 degrees, it's very dry. I hope it stays that way for the next couple of days. Yaiza has around 1,000 inhabitants. It's very quiet, so this is a fantastic place. Lanzarote is a fantastic place, and I think I picked a great village. I picked this village here because it appears to be not too touristy. I didn't want a place that it only consists of hotels, because Lanzarote is very popular, especially in Germany, I think, as a vacation spot. Also like around this time of year, because it's warm here. So in Hamburg, this morning we had 6 degrees and rain. It was very cold. So here we don't have as many hotels. We do have hotels, but they all appear to be, well, not very big. So it's great. I think I'm already leaving the village. So unfortunately this is a holiday and the supermarket is already closed. I'm gonna have to see where I can find something to eat later. So this is actually Good Friday. In Spain, a holiday as well. I expected that, but well, I think this is abandoned. And all around us. So we can actually see the ocean back there. And we're looking southwest. So far I really like Yaiza. It's exactly what I wanted. Not too touristy, very charming. There are a couple of restaurants which I'm gonna seek out. So there are restaurants here. Most of them looked like I would be the only guest, but I think they're growing wine here. Spotted a kitty. They are really embracing the beauty of the volcanic rocks here, which is cool. I really like it. Volcanoes are amazing. So actually I just saw a restaurant there where there are other people there, so maybe I'm gonna head there later. It's very warm right now. I can feel the sun, and I think I underestimated the sun a bit. Of course, I did not use any sunscreen right now because it was just heading out to explore Yaiza a bit. So all the houses are white. Everything appears super clean, and you have this amazing contrast with the black volcanic soil. What I also like, by the way, is arriving during the day, so you still have time to actually explore the place you're visiting. I really like the gardens. They're all really beautiful. It's lovely. There seem to be a lot of abandoned buildings here. I'd really like to see something like this from the inside, however, you never know whom this belongs to. Perro y gato, I think this means dog and cat. So yeah, you never know whom this belongs to, and apparently this abandoned building is claimed by cats. You see fresh traces of their paws here. This is cool. A warning for dangerous dogs in German of all things. There's a cat there. It says our dog fights with his overweight. And this says don't kick the dog. Well, this was a great find. I really like this building. Alright guys, this is already it for this video. I hope you also got a good first impression of Yaiza. I really like this town and I'm glad I'm here. I'm going to be using Yaiza as a ground zero for hiking, and I think it's excellent for that. There are multiple very interesting looking hiking trails around here. It has very cool, very charming areas, and also the nature that you see around here is beautiful. Everything you need is here. There's a supermarket, there's a pharmacy, I think there's even a bank, and there are restaurants here. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.